Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create cascading dropdown in Power App using SharePoint List. So basically, a cascading dropdown means the second dropdown will change automatically based on the first dropdown selection. For example, if the user select Apple, the only laptop model will be visible. If the user select HP, then only HP model will appear. This is very useful in employee forms, product selection forms, country and state selection. It helps us create a better and more user-friendly experience. So if you will see my SharePoint list, I have two columns, brand name, model name, and both columns are created as single line of text. Here you can see brand name is Apple and model name is MacBook Pro M3. Brand name is Dell and model name is XPS30. And you can see over here, this is my data list, SharePoint list. This list contain brand name column with single line of text, model name column also with single line of text. Now go back to the Power Apps. So this is our blank canvas app. First insert to drop down control. So I'm using this one. And then insert one text over here. And change the text as select laptop. Now on the left hand side, click on the data icon and then click on add data. Now let's connect Power App with the SharePoint list we have already created. So here search for SharePoint. Now select the SharePoint connector. After that, connect your SharePoint list, name data list. Now our list has been connected successfully. Now select the first drop down. Go to the item property, remove the existing formula and add this formula. This formula will fetch all unique laptop brand names from the SharePoint list and display them inside the first dropdown. Now select the second dropdown control. Inside the item property, remove the existing one and add this formula. So in this formula, filter function filters the SharePoint list data based on the selected brand from the first dropdown. The dropdown one dot selected dot value get the selected brand name. The distinct function remove duplicate model names and display only unique laptop model inside the second dropdown. So finally, if Dell is selected, XPS 13 appears. Like if Apple is selected, MacBook Pro M3 appears. This called a cascading dropdown because the second dropdown depend on the first dropdown selection. Now preview the app. So here, if I select Apple, you can see the Apple model is visible here. And if I select HP, then HP model are visible. Similarly for Dell as well. And if you want to add more item inside the SharePoint list, simply click on add new item button from here and add your data as per your requirement. Once the data is added, it will automatically become visible inside Power App dropdown. So in this video, we covered how to create cascading dropdown in Power App using SharePoint list. Thanks for watching.